Yes, I can hear you.
Sir, wait a
Hi,
second.
how are you?
Ibrahim, could you please turn
Yes.
on your camera?
My camera is on. Okay, start video. Okay.
Oh, it's okay for now. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, sir, continue.
No, don't do that. I need water. Don't waste, okay? Hello?
Sir,
Hello.
continue.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Hi, we are looking for Node.js, pure Node.js developer who can build API. So, are you interested in that position?
Yes, I am. Um.
Okay. So, what's your background? Give me a brief introduction.
Okay.
We are specifically looking for, I just want to tell you, before that, the manager is specifically looking for backend developer in Node. They are building in Node apps, so just assume that if you get selected, you will be building Node apps.
Oh. Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
So.
So, give me a brief introduction.
All right. I'm basically a backend developer. I started out with basic PHP, but when I see that I'm not that good in front end designing, so that was when I switched to backend majorly. So I used PHP, JavaScript, Node. So in Node.js, I use Express. I've used API as well, API.js, but major focus on Express.js because the community and its documentation is very good. So I've been doing that for using both PHP and Node.js for like 3 years plus now. So I'm currently on a project. So on the project I'm currently on, I'm using Node.js to build an API gateway, as well as build a user service as well for the project I'm on.
Okay. So, what is Node.js?
Node.js is JavaScript framework for developing a back-end application.
Okay.
Server-side application. Don't let me say back-end. Server-side application because it resides on the server.
Okay. How do you select element in JavaScript?
How do you select elements in JavaScript? Yeah, so depending on the element you want to select, if it's by class, use document.getElement by class. If it's by ID, use document.getElement by ID. Then you pass the value of the ID or the class.
So API, right? This is Node.js API, whatever the
Yes.
API you use. What kind of protocol did it use? Any API?
Sorry, can you say that again?
One second, okay. What I'm saying is APIs, right? Whatever the API you build, what transportation protocol API is this?
HTTPS.
Okay. So can't you use TCP for that?
Sorry?
TCP? Can we use
TCP?
TCP with APIs?
TCP protocol, I don't think so.
Okay.
No, because all the APIs I've built, it just build and deploy on Heroku.
Heroku, okay. Heroku, use Heroku. It's
AWS.
a cloud-based, right?
Yes, Heroku is cloud-based or AWS.
So this APIs, right? Whatever these guys are building, they are going to deploy it on the AWS server using, AWS the Alpha kind of thing. That's what they are trying to use. So do you have experience with AWS deployments? I mean, what role did you ever play role in deploying AWS? And in Heroku, right? How did you guys deploy? Did you guys deploy in a file based, or how did you guys deploy in a node application?
Okay, so what I do basically is set up the application locally. Like with Heroku, you need to add a proc file, then specify the entry point of the application, then upload it to GitHub. So what I do is set up auto deployment on GitHub through Heroku and GitHub so that it will be very much easy to deploy any changes that has been done. So the proc file that is being set on GitHub will connect to Heroku. So then GitHub will connect through Heroku through the SSH connection terminal. So as soon as you make any changes and push it to GitHub, and it's a particular branch that is set to deploy, so it deploys automatically. So that is like an
You
optimized
deploy.
deployment.
Do you deploy as a image, or how do you deploy onto Heroku?
So we are not using Docker,
Okay.
so we cannot deploy as an image. So we are just only deploying the file directly from GitHub to Heroku. So Heroku will pick up the files from GitHub automatically.
So how do you make multi-threaded applications using Node.js?
Sorry?
How do you make multi-threaded operations using Node.js?
Multi-threaded operations.
Your app should be multi-threaded, not like a one synchronized thread.
Yes. Uh,
So how do you do the parallel programming using Node.js? How do you do it? Let's start from there. Don't worry about multi-threaded. How do you do the parallel programming? And do you make any asynchronous requests using Node.js?
yes.
So what do you use to make asynchronous requests to the database? Like, when you're fetching a data from database,
Yes.
what kind of framework do you use? Is
I
that
use SQLite.
SQLite? Is that a asynchronous? How do you get it? Asynchronous?
Yes, with SQLite, you can communicate with database whether synchronous or asynchronously. So it depends on the implementation. But with Node.js, Node.js supports asynchronous call. Yeah. So
did you use Express?
yes, Express is just like it's a framework built on Node.js to make server-side application development much easier.
Mm-hmm.
Right,
So to make this API, right? So you said you use Node.js platform framework,
yes.
but did you use any kind of another library to make this, like Express?
Yes.
What did you use?
Express.js.
Oh, use Express also? Okay.
Yes,
All right.
Express.js, SQLite for the
So you are okay
database.
with the backend development, right? I mean, they are going to
Yes.
give you like backend. Okay, sounds good. Let me forward it to the client, and they will approach you for the interview.
For further interview?
And I mean, what I'm saying is, we'll forward your resume to client.
Okay.
They will approach you to schedule a client interview, so that they will ask some questions there. But I just want to tell you, the client is looking for Node.js developer who has the Express knowledge.
Yes.
And they are going to deploy it onto the AWS. So AWS Alpha. So that's you need knowledge there.
Yeah, I can do more research on that.
So just to keep in mind that those things are required.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thank you. Thanks for the time. Bye.
Yeah, Ibrahim.
Hi.
Thanks for your time. And,
Thank you too.
for further intro time slots, our recruiter will be in touch with you. Okay. Have a great day.
All right. All right, you too.